Dear shareholders, good afternoon and welcome to the 66th Annual General Meeting of National Peroxide Limited through video conference. We have with us in this meeting Mr. Nes Wadia, Chairman, Mr. Rajesh Batra, Independent Director, Nomination and Remuneration Committee Chairman, and Stakeholders Relationship Committee Chairman, Mr. S. Raghuthaman, Independent Director and Audit Committee Chairman, Dr. Midhi Bodhanwala, Non-Executive Director, Mr. Viraf Mehta, Independent Director, Mrs. Harshabina Zaveri, Independent Woman Director, Mr. Rajiv Arora, Chief Executive Officer and Director, Mr. Conran Fernandes, Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Chandu Parmar, Company Secretary. We also have with us representatives of the statutory auditors and secretarial auditors of the company. For the smooth conduct of the meeting, the members will be in the mute mode during the course of the meeting. Audio and video will be enabled for those who have pre-registered with the company to speak during the AGM. Please note that, as per the requirements, the proceedings of the annual general meeting will be recorded and made available on the website of the company. I now hand over the proceedings to Mr. Nes Wadia, Chairman of National Peroxide Limited. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the 66th Annual General Meeting of the company, being conducted through video conference. Live streaming of this meeting is being broadcast on the NSDL website. The company secretary has informed that the quorum of members as required under law is present. The company has taken requisite steps to enable members to participate and vote on the items specified in the notice of the AGM. The statutory registers required to be kept for inspection during the AGM are available for the inspection of members on the NSDL website. As the AGM is held through video conference, the requirement for appointment of proxies is not applicable, and therefore the proxy registration register is not available for inspection. The notice of the 66th AGM and annual report for the financial year 1920 was sent by email to the members whose email addresses are registered with the company or the depository participants. The notice, director's report, the standalone and consolidated auditor's report, along with standalone and consolidated audited financial statements, have already been circulated to members. With your permission, I take these documents as read. The statutory auditor's report and secretarial auditor's report do not contain any qualification or adverse remark.
Thank you, sir. May I request Mr. Nes Wadia, Chairman of the Board, to deliver his speech now.
We are meeting today by video conference in the wake of unprecedented circumstances arising from the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic from the fourth quarter of the financial year 1920. The changes and adversities caused by this disruption are many, and your company was also faced with the challenge of reviving and sustaining the disrupted operations in a safe and responsible manner. I'm happy to inform you that your company was able to restart the plant on the 23rd of May in a phased manner while adhering to the highest standards of safety and quality. During this crisis, your company was also able to support the nation's effort in containing the pandemic by supplying 3% grade of hydrogen peroxide, which was used as a disinfectant across many government agencies and was provided free of cost. I would now like to take the opportunity to introduce our new director, Mrs. Harshabina Zaveri, who was appointed as an independent woman director with effect from 31st March 2020, subject to the approval of the members at this AGM. Ms. Zaveri is the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of NRB Bearings Limited and also the Chairman of SNL Bearings Limited. She spearheaded NRB's foray into design engineering and set up an R&D center, enabling NRB to become a supplier to the world's foremost automotive and mobility companies. She has also been the recipient of many prestigious national and international business awards. Considering her experience and knowledge, the board is of the opinion that the appointment of Mrs. Zaveri would benefit the company and would also enable the board to discharge its functions and duties effectively. On behalf of all the members of the board and the management, we would like to extend our warmest welcome to Mrs. Zaveri. During the year, Mr. Suresh Khurana, who was appointed as CEO and director of the company for a period of 3 years, commencing from 15 December 2017, has opted for early retirement and has ceased to hold the position of the CEO and director of the company with effect from the 4th of June 2020. The Board of Directors places on record its sincere appreciation for the valuable contribution made by Mr. Khurana in steering the company through challenging times. We have on board Mr. Rajiv Arora, who has been appointed as the CEO and director of the company for a period of 5 years with effect from 4th June, subject to the approval of the members at this AGM. Mr. Arora is a chemical engineer from BITS Pilani and an MBA in Marketing and Operations from IIM Bangalore. Mr. Arora brings with him a vast experience of over 35 years in diverse industries and includes a stint of 2 years in Germany. On behalf of all the members of the board, we welcome Mr. Arora on board and I'm confident that he will steer the company through future challenges. I would now like to take you through the operational performance of the company during the financial year 1920. The business environment was challenging for the most of the year due to depressed prices. In the second half of the year, your company successfully completed the expansion of its production capacity from 95,000 metric tons per annum to 150,000 metric tons per annum. The new revamped plant went on stream this year on the 3rd of February 2020. With this, your company is once again the largest producer of hydrogen peroxide in the country and currently has a market share of approximately 43% in the domestic market. In view of the plant capacity expansion, the plant was shut for a period of 4 months, during which we serviced key customers from limited inventory built up for this purpose. For the financial year 1920, revenues were 20,860 lakh and the profit after tax was 1,734 lakh. This was significantly lower than financial year 2018-19 as prices were artificially buoyant in that year and were not sustainable. Further, the shutdown of the plant for completion of the expansion project, as stated earlier, restricted the overall sales volumes. In recognition of the efforts made by your company, the following awards were also received during the year 1920. Excellent in Management of Health and Safety and Certificate of Merit for Excellence in Management of Environment from Indian Chemical Council. Certificate of Merit for Meritorious Performance in Industrial Safety from the National Safety Council. An award from the Paperboards and Specialty Papers Division of ITC Limited in recognition of outstanding service and support. As part of the Wadia Group's and National Peroxide's continuous commitment to corporate social responsibility, your company has contributed a sum of 306 lakhs, which were made to Sarnes Wadia Foundation by Jarbai Wadia Hospital for Children and the Navroji Wadia Maternity Hospital, the details of which are available in the annual report. As I look forward to the future, it is my belief that your company would be able to face the current challenges on the strength of its brand and the inherent strength of its people and processes. My sincere thanks to all stakeholders for their continued trust and belief in the company, and to my colleagues on the board for their support and valuable contributions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next item on the agenda is shareholder speech.
We have received requests from 3 members within the stipulated time to speak during the AGM, and their queries have been formally responded to already by the company. I therefore request these speakers to ask any other queries that they might have. We will try and answer these additional queries if possible during the AGM. If not, we will send out the replies through their registered email ID. Those members who have registered themselves and have not shared their queries will be given an opportunity to speak thereafter.
I now invite Mr. Rajendra Prasad Joshi to speak May I request the participant to restrict their questions or comments to 3 minutes, please. Mr. Joshi, can
Hello.
you hear us? Yes, we can hear you, sir. You may
Hello.
go ahead with your question.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Joshi, we can hear you.
Hear you.
You may go ahead with your question.
Just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Hello. 1 minute, sir. Hello. Now, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can hear
Hello.
you.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
The company secretary, chairman, respected chairman Nes Wadia, sir. Company secretary Chandu Kumar Parmar, other directors. Sir, my many thanks to company secretary and his team for sending me the soft copy of the annual report well on time. Sir, it is very excellent, having excellent present. Hey, 1 minute, sir. Sir, it is very comprehensive and transparent. Sir, our company secretary has given me a good cooperation, including Mr. Rushav. They have given me a cooperation to join this meeting. They have taken full care that I can join the meeting conveniently. Sir, company's performance financially was under great pressure in 2020. Total revenue is reduced by more than 50%. Profit after tax was drastic to rupees 1,336 lakhs from rupees 15,300 lakhs last year. Sir, this was because of a slow economy, and sir, even then we are very happy that our board has not skipped the dividend and paid us the dividend of rupees 12.50 per share. That is comes to 125. Sir, we are very glad to note that our share price was, which was nearly at rupees 900 in March 19, March 20, has come up to 1900 plus within a short period of 5 months. So this shows the investors' confidence in our company. Sir, can you hear me, no, sir? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
So, sir, company share capital of rupees 5.74 crores. Against this, we have reserves and surplus of rupees 480 crores, sir. Sir, we are a good candidate for the bonus issue, sir. I will like to know that our board is going to consider bonus issue in near future. Sir, I would like to know some information, other information also. Do the India-China tension have any way affected our company's business in FY20? Under non-current liabilities, earnings from foreign currency loans has increased to rupees 15,681 lakhs from rupees 6,988 lakhs last year. That is a huge increase in this foreign currency loans. So kindly throw some light on this, why so much increase is there. Third is, what is our average cost of finance? Fourth is, what is the present position of the finished goods? Fifth, out of the total installed capacity of 150,000 metric ton, what is the percentage utilized at present, as on present this time? And last, what is the look out for FY20 and 21? Sir, we are very confident that our company, under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Nes Wadia, who has a diversified skills and long experience in the various fields, our company will grow by leaps and bounds. And with this, I wish all the best and I support all realizations. Sir, I have a number with Tata Motors and that, so I will short up here only. I thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Joshi. I now invite Mr. Yusuf Rangwala to speak.
Yeah,
May I request the participant?
Good. Now you can
Yes,
see
Mr. Rangwala, you may go ahead.
Yes. Good afternoon. Good evening, sir. This is a 66. I'm very happy in the COVID-19, sir. You've given the dividend 12 rupees 50 paisa on 10 rupees share. This is a very excellent video guide of your Bombay Dine, sir. Your health, sir. Your health is good, sir. Good, sir. God grace, sir. सर आपका जो पपड़ी के आपको धन्यवाद सर, आपका जो त्योहार गया ना पारसी का, सर उसकी तरफ से मैं आपको शुभकामनाएं हूँ। और सर आप जो आपको कुछ बोलना है सर, आपका परफॉर्मेंस है समथिंग मोर टू ऐड, खाली बस सर आपको आपका शेयर 1900 मार्केट में सर आज ये दिखा है सर अपना कंपनी कैसी सर ग्रोथ सर अपना हो जो मेन कंपटीशन inside this office में अपना how many people are working, whether they are working from home, what is anybody you remove furniture, all the people are normal sir, nothing more. How is your father, sir? Give my regards to your daddy, sir. How is your give my regards, sir? And sir, I would like to when Britannia, sir, I am the shareholder of Britannia Industries, sir. You also board of director, please next time chance, sir, my consider sir Britannia. I'm very fond of your company, sir, Britannia, sir. And nothing more to add. I feel thank you very much. And Ganesh Chaturthi is going on with the Ganesh festival. और उनकी आशीर्वाद का जो है sir, day by day you will go grown up. Time will come after us 8-9. I will consider you will consider this time come. You will consider 1:1 bonus, sir. Many years past, sir, from your side bonus is not come, sir. And nothing more to add, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I also thank our company secretary who just for this video conference, sir. Second very trouble, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Have a good day, sir. Bye.
Take care.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Rangwala. That was the last speaker on the line. I would now request Mr. Nes Wadia to comment on the queries raised by the shareholders.
So I think we'll respond to most of the queries, but the largest competitor is GACL, and they've got about 35% or 30% market share depending on their utilization of the plant. The amount which the first speaker had asked for, Mr. Joshi, that was for the borrowing for the expansion, and inventory at the moment. We are selling most of our inventory and holding not much. So that's the current status. The rest of the questions we will respond to in writing to the shareholders who asked the questions. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next item on the agenda, sir, is resolutions. I would request Mr. Nes Wadia, Chairman, to initiate the proceedings.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for participating in the AGM and sharing your thoughts on the performance of the company. As informed, the queries submitted by the members before the stipulated timeline have already been responded to. On the fresh queries, I've already answered a few, and we will respond to the others on the registered email IDs within the next 72 hours. Thank you.
Sir, we have further have the resolutions on the agenda.
As per the notice, there are 8 resolutions to be passed. I now request Mr. Chandu Parma, Company Secretary, to conduct the e-voting and conclude the meeting. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the members, all the shareholders, staff members and directors who participated in this meeting for your constant support, teamwork and inspiration. And with your consent, the other board members and I would like to now take your leave. Please do stay safe and healthy. Constantly wear a mask, constantly clean your hands, and may God bless you and protect you and your family always. Thank you.